Hi guys, my name is Dipanshu. I hope you're doing very well. In this video, I am demonstrating my enterprise web development assignment first. So basically, in this assignment, what we did, we created a few endpoints like get, post, put, get. So basically, these are the CRUD operations that we did in this assignment. And so first API is a get, where we fetch the data from DynamoDB and we have also implemented like reviewer ID and reviewer name in this API. So we can fetch the data accordingly by movie ID, by review ID, by reviewer name. If someone want to fetch the data by reviewer name, so we put I did and post. So post have a requirement like only authenticated user can post the review. So I did in my assignment put so the authenticated user that post a review, so only that review can updated by that reviewer only. So these are the things and get and the fourth endpoint is like translations. So in this have I use Amazon Neural Machine Translation NMT. So what it can done like it's translate our English review into the specific code like ES Spanish, FR French and DE matlab German. So these are the translations we can I can do uh, in this endpoint. So these are the things that mentioned in assignment, and these are the DynamoDB table that required. So I created accordingly. Yeah, let's move into the our VS Code where I write all these things. So these are the my files like get all. These are the public endpoints that I created. Get all. We fetch all the data from in a DynamoDB. Get movies review. So here we can find the review translated. These are the Lambda functions, Lambda files that I created, and all the Lambda files functions inside the movie stacks. So here all the files uh, that I created. So in this file, I created the Lambda functions, movie stack, and I create separate authentication folder like where a new user come, do sign up, do confirm sign up, and log in, log out, and authorize. Like authorize is basically we use for authentication. So I make a separate them and yeah, these are the things. TS, you test. Let's jump into the testing part in a postman, and let's perform testing. How serverless oops service. Yeah. So this is the my first endpoint get. This is the basically public testing, the public uh, get point. So get all. So it fetch all the data. Let's click. Yeah. So it fetch all the data from DynamoDB table. Let's jump into the second endpoint, get by movie ID. So this is the movie ID. So when we click, so it fetch the data which movie ID is 3. So click on that. So movie ID is 3 and these are the review ID is 4. And third endpoint, get by movie ID and review ID. So movie ID is 3 and review ID is 4. Again, it showed that data because we put, so yeah, movie ID is 3 and review ID is 4 and reviewer name. And again, this is a fourth endpoint where we can fetch the data by the name of reviewer name. So now this time I uh, change movie ID is 1 and reviewer name is John. Yeah. So reviewer name is John, movie ID is 1, review ID. If I put my name here and so it shows the data. Okay. Let's test. Maybe movie ID is 3 and uh, maybe Dipanshu at the rate fb.com. Let's check. Yeah, yeah, it shows. Thank you. Okay. Let's move into the post endpoint. Sign up where new user come and they want to sign up in my app. So let's put a new email. So new user come. Uh, okay. So we put a new email in a sign up endpoint. Uh, uh, okay. So yeah, sign up is successfully. Now we have to do confirm sign up. So the code is going into the that email ID that we put in our sign up. Maybe we have to check. Yeah, we got a email. Oops. Yeah, sign up is successfully. It shows message. You can now log in. Now confirm sign up is worked. Now we have to do login. So this time we technos and password is maybe same. Let's check. Uh, Password is yeah, so it is same. Yeah, yeah, same password. Okay, login is successfully, and now we got a token that it helps to the post the review for only authenticated user. Now we can copy, and now let's jump into the next post endpoint where user can post the review. Now we change the review ID 3 and reviewer name is this is first test review. This is the first test review by Dipanshu, and we put a token in a header that we copy. Now all thing. This is the first test review. Let's check this endpoint. Yeah, review added successfully and review ID is auto-generated. Now let's check. Movie ID is 123. Let's check into DynamoDB table. It's come or not. 12. Yeah, it's 13. Movie ID is 123. Review ID is auto-generated. This is first. Oops. Oh, where is one? Oh, this is first test review by Dipanshu. Yeah. Okay. Let's jump into Postman. And now we want to update this review. So originator of this review can update this review. So put a movie ID is 123, email ID is checkbox, and we update the review. This is a updated second. This is my updated test review by Dipanshu. Okay. So I think we have to add a header. So only now copy. Got now hit send button. Oops. I think we missed something. Oh shit, we didn't change this URL. 123 and what's the review ID name? Yeah, finally successful. Yeah, sure. So review my this is show the reviews are only updated by originator. Uh, Now we can check in a DynamoDB. So 123, this is test review. We can refresh this. This is the updated test review by Dipanshu. Yeah, sure. Now jump to the postman. We have to check the translation is working or not. So uh, this is the endpoint of translation. Let's hit. It's converted our English email or English review into, yeah, it's converted into the Spanish. We can check. Where is uh, endpoint 3, movie ID 3, review ID 4, best Miller, review ID 4 3, review ID 4 3. Yeah, so it's converted. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.